Welcome to Autofocus Review. Today we're thrilled to explore a groundbreaking development in urban transportation, the 2025 Suzuki Mini Electric CV van. As cities grow and the need for efficient, eco-friendly vehicles rises, Suzuki steps up with a compact van designed to meet these demands. Let's delve into what makes this vehicle a game-changer for urban commuters and businesses alike. Compact design with maximum efficiency. The Suzuki Mini Electric CV van boasts a sleek, compact design tailored for city life. Its small footprint ensures easy navigation through crowded streets and tight parking spots, making it an ideal choice for urban dwellers and small business owners. Despite its size, Suzuki has engineered this van to maximize interior space, providing ample room for passengers and cargo. Impressive electric performance. Under the hood, this minivan is powered by a state-of-the-art electric motor, delivering a smooth and quiet driving experience. With a robust battery pack, drivers can expect a substantial range on a single charge, reducing the need for frequent recharging. This efficiency not only saves time but also contributes to lower operating costs, a significant advantage for businesses managing delivery fleets. Advanced features for modern needs. Suzuki has equipped the Mini Electric CV van with a suite of modern features to enhance convenience and safety. The intuitive infotainment system keeps drivers connected, while advanced driver assistance technologies provide an extra layer of security on the road. These thoughtful additions make daily commutes and business operations more efficient and enjoyable. Environmental benefits and cost savings. Transitioning to an electric vehicle like Suzuki's minivan offers substantial environmental benefits. By producing zero tailpipe emissions, it contributes to cleaner air in our cities. Additionally, owners can enjoy cost savings through reduced fuel expenses and potential government incentives for electric vehicle adoption. It's a win-win for both the planet and your wallet. Conclusion. Embracing the future of urban transportation. The 2025 Suzuki Mini Electric CV van represents a significant leap forward in urban mobility. Its compact design, impressive electric performance, and modern features make it a compelling choice for those seeking an efficient and eco-friendly transportation solution. At Autofocus Review, we're excited about the potential this vehicle holds for transforming city travel and business logistics. Stay tuned as we continue to bring you the latest insights into the evolving world of automotive innovation.